See, I'm going to tell you a small story. All of you know the story. I don't know whether maybe first standard they won't be knowing. Other second standard to fifth standard children will be knowing. The name of the story is The Grasshopper and the Ants. The Grasshopper and the Ants. So say one fine day, Grasshopper was singing, dancing and playing. But at the same time, all the ants were busily working. One day, when the grasshopper was playing and singing and dancing, all the ants, the colony of ants moved by. They asked, "Don't you have any work? All the time you are singing and playing." But the grasshopper said, "Why? We want to enjoy our life. Do you also come and join with us? We'll play." The ants said, "No, we are very busy. We are collecting grains for the future ahead. That is, the winter is going to come. During that time, we can't find any food. So now itself, we are collecting grains for the winter." Then the grasshopper laughed. "Always you are thinking about the future and always you are working. You are not enjoying the life like us." But after some time, the winter started. But snowfall. No one could come out, and no leaves, no insects, we couldn't find anything. Then the grasshopper started starving. Then that moment it worried, "I couldn't get any food, what can I do?" Then just that moment it remembered the ants. They were collecting the grains for the future. "Now let me go to the ants, they will give some food." Then the grasshopper went to the ants. "Then, please, I am starving, can you give me some food?" The ant said, "What you were doing during the summer? We were collecting the grains. During that time, what you were doing?" They told, "I was dancing, and I was singing and I was playing." "Now also you go and play. Now also you go and sing and dance," the ants told. Then he told, "Please forgive me, I don't know. Hereafter I also will be like you, but please give me some food." Then the queen ant said, "Okay, this time let us get pity on the grasshopper and we'll give the food." Then they gave the food and all they were happy. Children, now when I ask you now, by comparing ant and grasshopper, which one will be looking very good? Looking pretty. Ants will be looking pretty. Which is looking pretty? Ants are looking pretty. Why grasshopper? Second and children, they are studying this lesson now. Which is pretty looking? Why? It is green in color. It is very proud. It is green in color. Actually, ants are black in color. But quality wise, who is good? And they are very active, and also they have the team spirit. Always they will have some order. Always they will move in a line. Have you all observed the ants going in line?
Yes, sir.
And also they have the team spirit. And when you read out the history of ants, they will divide the work, the queen and the worker, and how they are working. And also you could, I don't know whether you have observed or not, if any big sugar piece or bread piece they got, all the ants together they will pull and go. Have you all seen that?
Yes, sir.
Because when the weight is more than its weight, all the ants will together they will take and go. But grasshopper won't work like that. But though it is black in color, ants are, we are always, quality wise, the ants are very good because they are all the time they are working. We cannot see any ants simply sitting in one place. Anybody have seen the ants sitting simply? Always they will be moving and they will be doing some work and they will maintain the order, and they are the example of team spirit. And when you go through the ants life, you can see that the ants, there are so many species of ants, and one kind of ant, it will be very dark in color, but it is more auspicious. The people are feeling that if the black ants come to our house, it is just like a god. Even when I am your age, we used to tell that this is Sami irundhu kadikadu. Have you heard about one kind of ant? It won't bite you. Have you observed? But suddenly it will climb on you, and its value is it will be kind. It won't be harmful. Okay, so people will be liked. People will be graded not by seeing your color, your quality. Your quality is the matter. Have you all observed what is the point? Though the ants are black in color, we are giving always be like an ant. We used to tell yes or no. Nobody will say that be like a grasshopper. Grasshopper is the lazy one. Ants are active, and they are having more qualities. So always keeping in mind, children, color is not at all a matter. Your quality and your behavior is the matter. Thank you.